I'm here with my Dash Mini Toaster Oven, and I want to see if we can cook an egg in it. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. I have this little aluminum baking pan, and it's a really good fit for this mini toaster oven. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it with some cooking spray, and then I'm going to break an egg into it, and I'm going to put it in the toaster oven, and let's see if it cooks. One thing I'm not going to do is preheat the toaster oven because it gets so hot, and because there's a cooking element on the top and on the bottom. I have found that it has burnt everything that I've put in it, so that's why we're going to start from cool, and maybe it will only take like 2 or 3 minutes to cook an egg. We'll see how this goes. I'm going to spray this pan. I'm using a non-stick cooking spray that is 100% pure coconut oil. And there's the egg, and here's the toaster oven. Let's open it. I don't need this pan, and I'll put this little pan inside, and we'll close it, and then we'll set it for about 4 minutes. And let's see what happens in 4 minutes. The timer just went off. Let's open it, and there's some kind of cooking going on here. Check that out. So in 4 minutes, this egg is totally cooked. Let's see if we can get it out of this little pan, and let's see if the yolk is runny or solid. So that came out of the pan really nicely. I just grabbed a fork. Let's cut into the yolk. Let's see what's going on here. Look at this. Look at how beautiful that yolk is. So for 4 minutes from cold, not a preheated mini oven, this is like a really nice egg. Obviously, if you like your yolk more solid, you'd cook your egg longer. So let me just taste this. It's really nicely cooked. The egg white is not rubbery. Okay, so this was a success. You can cook an egg in the Dash Mini Toaster Oven. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.